Alright, YouTube, back for the last break of the evening. I've got two 10-pack. This is an extreme value, by the way, just to let you know this is a 40% savings. So, before you ask, 40% savings. So anyway, let's go ahead and just break into them both. Get them both done the same. Hey, there's the easy way to do it. Packs in each one. Awesome, look at this. I got some Pro Set. Dude. I knew it would be awesome, but I didn't know it would be that awesome. Oops, got a rack pack. Dude, I gotta go straight into the Pro Set. And then probably into the, where it is. Oh, I can't find it now. But, yeah, oh, there it is, Fleer. Fleer's next, but Pro Set's definitely first. I can win a trip to the Super Bowl. Let me see here. Dude, won't even rub off anymore. That's awesome. Alright, Gary Zimmerman, Jackie Slater, Lawrence Taylor, Todd Bowles, Mark Lee, Claiborne Evans, Andre Rison, Eugene Daniel. I've got 100 of those. Mel Gray, Jason Williams, Rodney Hampton, Berlin, Bart Starr, and Todd Kalis. Make sure I don't have another Pro Set over here before I break into the Fleer. Alright, OSU Cowboys. This is where we get some pretty decent cards here, because the Cowboys had some good guys. But of course, they're not going to pop. Oh, there you go. And there's Barry Sanders. Look at that. Barry Sanders. And Thurman Thomas. Two great running backs. Alright, so Rufus, John, Rich, Bart, Greg, Mike, Carter, Lacey, Hector, Thomas, wow. Oh, there's something. There's a quarter. Tim Harris, Checklist, Sammy, Gary, Alt. Never know. There might be a error card in here somewhere, but who knows? Okay, so that's tops. That's score. How about some Fleer Ultra from 2006? Carnell Williams, Priest Holmes. I have Antonio Bryant, Greg Lewis, and Sean Taylor. What else we got? A couple of icons. Let's do icons. Icons. Jason Witten, Brandon Marshall, Braylon Edwards, Frank Gore, Willie Parker. Alright. Icons. Darren McFadden, Matt Forte, Steve Slayton, Bolden, and Brandon Jacobs. SP Threads. Alright, Lee Evans. There's something in there. Alright, Stephen Cooper, Peyton Manning. There's one for my collection. And oh my goodness, the awesome card. Lee Smith, Steve Smith, Larry Fitzgerald, and Wes Welker. You know, those security card things, these are fun to put in people's purses as they, when they're not looking, walking into Walmart and stuff, and it goes off. It's pretty fun. It's mean. It's terribly mean. Thomas Jones, Tony Scheffler, Frank Gore, Clinton Portis, Michael Jenkins, Zach Robinson is the rookie card in this, and the glossy is Mario Williams. Sweet spot I'm going to save. Save those two. Save that. Let's see about some first edition. Alright, 2008. Another security tag in the back of this one. Alright, so Jarius Norwood, Dwight Freeney, Devin Hester, Marvin Harrison. StarQuest is Ernie Sims, Thomas Bowman, Antonio Cromartie, Ryan Clady, Mark Bolger, and Jay Lehman. Alright, Brandon Jacobs, Cameron Wembley, Steve McNair, John Kitna, Drew Brees, Matt Ryan, there's a good $5. John David Booty, Kirk Morrison, Ben Roethlisberger, and Jerome Felton. That actually might be a couple of bucks right there. I think last time I checked on one of those, they're $5, so it's pretty cool. Let's go with some 09 Press Pass. See if I can score another Sanchez, because I always score the Sanchez. I got Crabtree, Sean Green, Crabtree. Wow, no Sanchez this time. Just a couple of Crabtrees. Graham Harrell, Mr. Johnson. Nice. Alright, rookie debut football. This is from one of those years, 06. Let me see, Tony Gonzalez. We have Algie Crumpler. Oh, I got a jersey card in here. Freaking sweet. Chad Pennington, Edgerrin James. The rookie is Joe Rubin. And Demetrius Williams. Is he even playing anymore? Who knows? But still, hey, it's a jersey card. It's a $5 bill. Not terrible. So the 09 rookie thread. Prizes include LaDainian Tomlinson, Ryan Grant, Kellen Winslow, Jay Cutler, and this guy, Matt Hasselbeck. 11 Press Pass. We have Kendall Hunter, Tyrod Taylor, Blaine Gabbert is blue, class of 2011, Nick Fairley, and Daniel Thomas, Mark Ingram. Alright, let's bust out some score. Right, I got All Day AP, Joe Flacco, Mario Williams, Mike Thomas, D'Angelo Williams, rookie of Nick Fairley again, and no, there's my Sanchez, glossy. I'm a Colts fan, not a Jets fan. Sorry, Sanchez. Let's go some tops. Alright. Ooh, Peyton Manning on the front. Just put that over here with the good stuff. Trent Cole, Joe Hayden, John Abraham, Fitzgerald. I got a Jeremy Curley rookie, Vincent Brown, and Robert Quinn, and Nick Fairley. And this one is fairly messed up in the lettering down there. Super Bowl legends: Len Dawson, Hines Ward. Giveaway: Aaron Rodgers. We have Beanie Wells, Jerome Simpson, Pettigrew, Jacob Tam. Yeah, I think I got that one already, but Vince Wilfork, Antonio Gates, Austin Collie, Ryan Matthews, Forte, Kuhn, Lewis. Okay, Quentin Carter, Delone Carter. I definitely have that one. Stephen Ridley. I got a little mini thing, and this thing, and this thing, and this thing. All right. Ovi Moogie. Mike Goodson, Santonio Holmes, Frank Gore, Owen Daniels, Tony Lehaloi, Chris Snee, Rashard Mendenhall. And in these mini things here, we have a Mike Thomas. This is the Bowman things, I think. Doesn't say exactly. Another Bowman reprints of some sort. Game Day, Tony Romo. And faces of the franchise. We have Julio Jones and Roddy White. Going Philadelphia. We did a sweet spot last. Not that there's probably anything in it, but McGahee, Porter, Morris, Ray Rice, Hasselbeck, and Eli Manning. Numbers are all low. There's no short prints or anything in those. 20 cards inside, collect all the cards, blah 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 blah. Alright. Slayton, Fitzgerald, Shockey, Roy Williams, Frank Gore, Hasselbeck, Eli Manning, McNabb, Bobby Wade, Philip Rivers, Kurt Warner, Mercedes Lewis, Dallas Clark, John Abraham, Rudd, Peyton Manning is a little mini whatchamajigger. Nice. DeQuell Jackson, Matt Leinart, Jason Campbell, and Ray Rice. And again, no SPs in this either. No short prints. Nope. Alright, so we're looking at 06 Sweet Spot. Chris Chambers, Willis McGahee, Tony Gonzalez, and Michael Vick. Not bad. So, recap of the good cards. Peyton Manning, Dallas Clark, Austin Collie, Jacob Tammy, Peyton Manning again, and the Donald Brown rookie card. Demetrius Williams jersey, a first edition Matt Ryan, Marvin Harrison, Dwight Freeney, and another Peyton Manning. I'm sure there are other good cards in there that were not Indianapolis Colts, but yeah, probably not. Anyway, you guys have a good night. We'll see you later.